Hi, Janet Mohapi-Banks here. I help you to live a conscious life and build a conscious business without stressing out, burning out, or freaking out. Now, one of the things that has definitely helped me in my life, throughout my life, I think for as long as I was conscious of being able to do this, is the value of being really present with myself, really being present with other people as well. So if you are going into a meeting, if you are doing a speech, regardless of what you're doing, really, if it involves other people, the best way of helping that situation to go your way is to become really, really present. And you do that just by going in, taking big breaths. So like 5 minutes before a meeting, 5 minutes before you're going to pitch a proposal, 5 minutes before you're going to have like the talk with anybody, just center yourself. Take 3 big breaths to just center yourself in the here and the now. I like to put my focus on this point here, inside. Yes. My focus on the third eye and just be there, be still for a moment. And just get really, really, really present with yourself. Then you go into your meeting. And the first thing you do when you enter the meeting, the first thing you do when you see the people is to get present with the people. Yeah. Again, you breathe. You just breathe and you welcome in their energy. And you just get present with them. And it's a very strange thing occurs. So because so few people are genuinely present and so few people are genuinely present with other people, people feel that you are being present with them. And that helps them to feel seen. It helps them to feel as though they are being heard. And when people are seen and heard, they are much more likely to be responsive to what you have to say to them. Yeah. So just practice that. Just practice being truly present. Listen to the people in order to hear them. Don't listen to them in order to respond. Yeah, just be there. Hear what the people say. Take in their energy, ground it through you. See them for who they are in that moment, without any expectation, without any preconceived notion of who they are. Just hear them and see them as they are in that moment. And it'll make a massive difference. Your meetings will feel calmer. Your conversations will feel more relaxed, more congenial. Yeah, just give it a go and try it. Try it out. Be present with yourself first. Then go into your meetings, go into your conversations, and be truly present with the people in front of you. I'll see you next time. Bye.